Today I'm going to be replacing the blend door actuator motor on this 2016 Ford Expedition. The location for it is under the footwell here. We're here under the footwell on the driver's side. You can see the gas pedal right here. So it's right up here. Here is the connector for it. All right, so you can see places where this can bolt on right here. All right, I've gone ahead and unplugged it to shut it up. All right, so I've decided to go ahead and move this gas pedal out of the way. It's held on by 3 bolts right there, as you can see, 13 millimeter. So now we have a lot more access to our actuator up there. It is held on by 8 millimeter bolts. All right. So here's the part number for the replacement part for this. And it's only got one way that it can fit in there, so you can't really feed it on to the thing wrong. You might have to put it in there and then rotate it to line it up with all the screws. Ready to go ahead and throw this on. We're gonna plug it in first so that this thing can rotate and we can get it all lined up. So we're going to find the hole. There we go. And I've got the key, so now I'm going to start pushing buttons on the air so this thing will rotate and it should get lined up and we can push it in. There we go. I got it. So we can turn the key off, take it out, throw these bolts in, and also push in our red plug there. All right, the new part's on there, so now we just need to throw this gas pedal back into place. All right, there we go. So we're all done. The squealing noise is all gone. I think you can kind of see here what the problem was. I think this had popped out of place, and it was just, since it's plastic, it was just like squealing while it was just spinning around in there basically. So thanks for watching. God bless.